everybody. Constance Arner, your success coach. And today I want to talk to you quickly about a powerful law. It's called the Law of Detachment. I've heard so many people say, Constance, I have set my intention and I'm going to buy a house, but how is that going to happen? Or I'm ready to meet the love of my life, but how is that going to happen? Or I'm going to go back to school, but how am I going to be able to do that? I'm a single parent. Well, the law of attraction says that you, number one, decide what you want, and then you develop a plan to take, I call baby steps. And so when you set an intention, many of us are limited by our finite thinking. We are accustomed to controlling things and using our conscious mind to determine whether or not that we believe that we can have something. And this is how you can tell if you need to detach from the how of your manifestation. If you're worried, if you're anxious, if you're frustrated, oh my God, when is all of this going to happen? That's a sign that you're really attached to how it's going to happen. But this is, I think, a quick way for you to really use the law of detachment in your life. Number one, decide what you want. What do you desire? All right. Then you develop the best plan that you know how. You get clear about what you want, and then you develop a plan. And I think to really detach from the how, that you need to write it down and then possibly hold it up to God and say, here it is. My desire is to really release 60 pounds or to really attract love. I will detach from the how and I will trust you. Why? Because you're finite. You're limited in your thinking, but God is infinite. God has a million ways to get your manifestation to you. But you know what it boils down to? Trusting. Trusting that a loving, giving, supported spirit is the one who put that desire on the inside of you, and that you are co-creating with this spirit. So, you say your prayer, and then I think another mindset is that you're not in the paradigm. You say your prayer and then you release it. And you just every day get up and take the steps that you know to do. And you have to get out of the paradigm of, oh my God, I'm going to be happy when this intention happens or when it manifests. No, be happy and joyful along the journey. And you know what? That will accelerate your manifestation quickly. And then lastly, enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey knowing and walking in a vibration of expectancy. And I'm going to say, I'm not going to even say put a timeline on it. You're trusting the spirit. I know so many people say, well, I want to meet my mate before the end of the year. And I believe in timelines, but I think that when we're too rigid and we're too attached to it has to be before the end of the year, the spirit might have somebody dynamic for you, waiting for you in January, but you have this timeline. I knew someone who set that kind of intention, and they were really frustrated, and they said, well, things aren't working for me. And what happened was this person was accustomed to controlling. But when you release, when you detach, when you use the law of detachment, and you're only attached to the vibration of I've surrendered it, I'm enjoying the journey, I know that this infinite loving spirit is on my side, really desiring to get my highest good to me. Excuse me. And the more I'm in the vibration of expectancy and faith and detach from the how, the more it's going to come to me. Try the law of attachment and watch it work for you. Enjoy your day. I'm pressing up to my iPhone.